Hey, good morning everybody. Jimmy with To The Top Crane here. And today we're doing something a little different. We are going to pick up an antique, I call it an antique, an old caboose. So this caboose, I went and looked at it a few weeks ago, looked at this job. Last inspection was done 1985, was for its last rail inspection, so I'm guessing that's when it was taken out of service or right around then. I'm not 100% certain of its age. I think it was built in about the 30s maybe. The bearings on the axles have oil wells built into the trucks. So they don't have greased sealed bearings. They actually have oil reservoirs or oil wells for the bearings. So that to me tells me it's pretty old, but I don't know. Any of you railroaders out there, if you got an idea on how old that thing is, when you see it, throw a comment down there and let me know your thoughts on it. But have at it. Get in front of your new toy.
We're going to move this caboose from Missouri to Mississippi and open a juice bar in the caboose car.
All right, so now they're going to be somewhat YouTube famous, but this is what we're picking up. 32,000 is what we're guessing. I'm going to say it's going to be 40, maybe a little more. Yeah, it's going to Mississippi. And it's going to be a juice bar. That's kind of a cool concept, really. All right, we're getting rigged up on this caboose for the Juicy Caboosy. That's a catchy name for a juice bar. I mean, that's, yeah, pretty innovative, really. It's starting to come up already. I've only got 10,000 on it. Are we ready? Yeah. Is everybody ready? All right, let's see what this thing does. Trying to hold my radius. Weighs more than 20. May end up having to pick this old girl a couple times. Let's see. Okay, she's starting to come up there. Alright, here we go. Which way does he want that sitting on his truck? So I was looking at stickers on this thing, or numbers. And the in-service date was June of 42. This thing was built in 1942.
Just like you got it, cab to the front.
Okay. I gotta let him get his stuff out of the way. I'm gonna cable it down a little bit, get it closer to the ground. We'll let that truck driver do his thing and alright, to the truck we go. Alright, that's it. Hope it enjoys its new home. Based on what they said they're going to do with it, it ought to be pretty neat. So, if I get some follow-up pictures and stuff from them, I will definitely post them. It'd be neat to travel down there and check it out when they're all done and then shoot some video of it. We'll see what happens.